Welcome to Key Tech. Please describe this channel if you are interested in today's video. You can surf the internet even if there is no signal. Such an idea may have been a fantasy in the past, but in the near future it will truly enter Chinese life, all due to further breakthroughs in the research and development of satellite-based core networks. In August 2023, when Huawei Mate 60 was released, one feature attracted everyone's attention, and that was satellite calling. In fact, Huawei already had the one-way satellite messaging function as early as the Mate 50, and then the two-way satellite messaging function of the P60. Until now, Huawei has been completely step-by-step. Not only the call function, in the near future, China will also be able to access the Internet through satellite. According to reports from the China Industrial Economic Information Network, just recently, several China mobile research institutes jointly developed the Star Source system, which is the satellite core network, and have completed the test of the Starlink application. In this way, it becomes possible for mobile phones to connect to low-orbit satellites and implement applications. If satellite internet is implemented, it will have various advantages, such as lower cost. Although the initial construction cost may be higher, in the long run, the overall operating cost will be cheaper. It is more reliable and can achieve smooth connection, no matter what extreme outdoor environment it is. Because it is covered by satellite, it is within its service range all over the world. In this way, people can never lose contact. At that time, it will also be very helpful for that kind of rescue work. Even if it encounters war or natural or man-made disasters, it will not be affected. And the satellite transmission network will have lower latency. It is very important for some application scenarios that require real-time communication, such as telemedicine. Its transmission speed is more than twice that of traditional optical fiber transmission. In addition to the civilian field, satellite internet will also play a great role in military and scientific research in the future. But at the same time, more difficulties need to be overcome. For example, the environment in which the satellite-borne core network works has many unpredictable and unknown environments such as space radiation, vacuum, and alternation of hot and cold. Even after these technical problems are overcome, current satellite equipment still needs to be optimized. And after the realization of satellite internet, the requirements for mobile phone equipment will be higher. How to improve battery durability, as well as chip research and cost control for mobile phone satellite communications also need to be considered. But fortunately, so far, the spaceborne core network has completed testing in different environments such as vacuum, high and low temperatures, and electromagnetic compatibility, and has basically met the conditions for on-orbit operation. Previous research has found a number of partners, such as Huawei, iPulu, Fusion Technology, etc., and has built a test terminal to a 5G base station, then to a ground gateway station, a satellite-borne wireless transceiver, and finally a satellite-borne wireless transceiver. The connection path of the core network. The tests conducted after the construction was completed fully met expectations, and we are waiting for this function to be available on mobile phones to provide services to the public in the future. When this feature is implemented, China will no longer have to rely on signals to access the internet, and will be able to connect smoothly no matter where it goes. In recent years, many technology companies have been fighting fiercely in the field of satellite internet. Especially in this field, Tesla took the lead in proposing the Starlink concept, which has caused many people to praise it. For a long time, the unlimited praise of Starlink was also accompanied by the disparagement of domestic Starlink-related technologies. However, now China's science and technology has exerted its strength and realized China's own satellite internet function in a short period of time. And everything now is still based on 5G communication technology. When 6G communication technology is expected to be implemented in 2030, satellite internet combined with 6G communication technology will bring many surprises to China by then. I really can't think of it now. Okay. Chen Zhigang, a Chinese information and communications expert, said that in the future, ground-space integration will be the main development direction, and satellite broadband is one of the main scenarios for 6G technology application. And in this area, China must speed up its pace. Because whoever does it first will have more say. However, China should also face up to some gaps. Although China has indeed achieved a lot of results, due to Starlink's first-mover advantage, their development momentum is very rapid. It is also continuing to promote overseas, and has been marching into the Americas and Oceania starting from 2023. Even in the African market, Starlink will not have a high profile and actively strives to start providing services to Nigeria in February 2023. Subsequent countries such as Rwanda and Mozambique were also within the scope of their development. But no matter what the pace of Starlink is, China doesn't have to worry too much. Be optimistic about the road ahead and move forward unswervingly to build China's own star chain. Just as China has achieved overtake countless times before, it will definitely take the leading position in the competition this time. Thank you for your watching.